Need a quick cash boost for your online business? Imagine having the power to create a steady stream of income whenever you need it. With these 12 blueprints, you'll have the knowledge and tactics to pull in quick cash boosts effortlessly, giving you financial peace of mind and the freedom to focus on growing your online business. 12 blueprints for pulling in quick cash boosts, the ultimate guide to generating immediate income online. Whether you're starting an online business or just need some extra cash to pay bills, this blueprint will show you proven strategies to get money flowing into your bank account fast. Mat 1 Side Hustles AI Edition is the latest release and bangs up to date with brand new AI hustles. 12 new AI side hustle blueprints for generating quick cash online with no previous experience, tech skills, resources, or money to help people get the cash they need to bootstrap their online marketing business. Over 50 different places you can get paid for your time, your help, your opinions, your feedback, and your experience, even for completing simple tasks, and how to choose the best ones for you and maximize your returns. No special skills needed, no previous experience needed, no upfront costs. Bootstrap your online marketing business. This is perfect for you if you need a way to earn extra cash for living expenses, want a way to generate revenue around your current busy schedule, are a college student looking to get income while you're in university, are a stay-at-home parent that wants to bring more income into the household, want extra revenue that you can use to leverage into other business opportunities. Get paid in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Choose one of the easy step-by-step blueprints included in your membership. Step 2. Follow the instructions. Step 3. Perform the steps and get paid. Don't miss out on this opportunity to bootstrap your online business. Get your hands on 12 blueprints for pulling in quick cash boosts today and start seeing instant results. If you want access, you'll need to act fast. Check out the description box now.